Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving problem 222, count complete tree nodes. The problem statement is, given the root of a complete binary tree, return the number of nodes in the tree. This problem can be solved using BFS or breadth first search or DFS, that is depth first search. All we need to do is start the traversal from the root node on its both left and right legs and maintain a variable that will be incremented as we encounter a valid node. After the traversal is complete, we'll return the value saved in the result variable. For example, we'll start the iteration from the root node, that is 1. We'll look at its left leg if it is valid. If it is, then we'll increment the results variable. Similarly, we'll iterate further to look at 2's left and right leg, that are 4 and 5. As the nodes are valid, we'll increment the results counter. As 4 and 5 are leaf node, that is, it doesn't have a left and right leg, we'll stop the traversal and go to the right leg of the root node, that is node 3, and continue the same steps. After the traversal is complete, we'll return the value saved in the results variable. If the root node is null, we'll return 0, and if it is empty, that is only has a root node, we'll return 1. I hope you were able to understand this high-level approach in how we can solve the problem. Here's the implementation in C#. I start by checking if the root node is null. If it is, then I'm returning 0. If not, then I'm recursively calling the count node methods by passing the root.left and root.right instances and then incrementing 1 to reflect the current node. Whatever is the result is going to be returned at the end. The time complexity of this solution is O of n, as we are iterating through all of the nodes at least once, and the space complexity is O of 1, as we are only maintaining one variable with the total number of nodes we have iterated so far. This code, when submitted on LeetCode, beats 100% of the submissions in terms of runtime complexity and beats nearly 16% in terms of memory consumption. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to understand this solution and the explanation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. The link to the code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.